Bhav Shagore, so this Chaitya Purusha that he's talking about, and Moner Manush, that's we are saying, man of the heart, he's also known as Bhaber Manush, Bhava, the man of the Bhava. He's also known as Shonar Manush, the golden man. He's also known Sahoj Manush, that is the spontaneous man. And Bhav Shagore, so where does he live? He lives in the Bhava Sagar. And where is this Bhava Sagar? The ocean of Bhav is within us. Bhav is a dynamic experience. It's always moving like a river. So we experience emotion as ordinary human beings. So sometimes we are angry, sometimes we are sad, but we are continuously flowing from emotion to emotion. But when we are able to orient all our emotion to the divine, at that moment it becomes bhav. It becomes one-minded flow only towards one. And this, with this chalana or with this dynamic movement, one arrives in the space of Moner Manush. That's where he resides. That is Bhav Sagar, the ocean of Bhava. That's where he is. বসে আছে ভাব ধরে, he's sitting quietly with bhava. খুঁজতে গেলে কই সে মেলে, if you search for him you will never find. শুধু আওয়াজ বুঝে নাও ধরে, know him by the sound, by the nad, or by experiencing it. It's not perception, but it is more like the presence that you feel inside, which you cannot explain. But you know that there is someone who is observing. Bhaber Manush Alek Lata. This Manush of Bhav, this Moner Manush, is like the Brahma Kamal. Because it can be seen only with the Divya Drishti, only with your inner eyes. Bhav chhara she koy na katha. So he does not speak any other things. Only the words of Bhava will come out of this. So when we are in meditation for the divine, when you're singing the praise of divine, if somebody and ask you and come and ask you that, oh, what about the sari for tonight, or did you iron your cloth, or you will say, oh, what a wastage of time. So so that something that takes you away from that state of mind where you are worshipping your divine. You don't want to be there. So that bhaber manush is always in that bhav, and he speaks words of bhav. Bhabe ashe, bhabe boshe. He comes with bhav, he sits with bhav. An kotha tar nai mukhe. There is no other obstruction for him or her. Bhaber manush bhabe dekhe. The way he looks at the world, the bhaber manush who is inside all of us, is through the bhava he looks at the world. Bhabe lekhe, he writes with bhav, and bhabe dekhe, he internalizes through bhav. Jati vidya mahotana. If somebody has ahamkar, somebody has pride of one's own identity, and if somebody thinks that I know a lot, like the ahamkar of knowledge, one will not arrive in the space of bhav. Bhav can happen only when one can really offer or surrender it, all of it, to the divine, all our human quality. Bhavare to Shabhav Kana, Bhava Pagla, it's a song of Bhava Pagla. To Sabhava is something that is inherited qualities in us. No matter how good things we are given, or good thoughts, or ways of contemplation, our sabhava or habit is to get back to our very limited nature. When we are in the meditation hall, we are all look very good. But when we go back to our room, we are texting somebody really harsh, you know. So, and also we fall back again. And this is because of the sabhav. So when we have a blind sabhav, then how we will arrive in that ocean of bhav? So roili kolir ghorete, you remained in the fever of koli. Koli is the darkness, the time of darkness. ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ বসে আছে ভাব ধরে, ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ খুঁজতে গেলে কই সে মেলে, খুঁজতে গেলে কই সে মেলে, আমার বুঝে লও ধরে, ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ বসে আছে ভাব ধরে, ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ ভাবে আসে ভাবে বসে, খামারে খামারে ভাবে আসে ভাবে বসে, ভাবে দেখে ভাবে লেখে, আর কথা তার নাই মুখে, খামারে আর কথা তার নাই মুখে, আছে সদা ভাবনে হারে, ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ বসে আছে ভাব ধরে, ভাব সাগরে ভাবের মানুষ বসে আছে ভাব ধরে।